What's up, guys? Dave here. 2010 Toyota Corolla Matrix. If you've been doing repairs to your steering, such as replacing your SAS or your steering angle sensor or your clock spring, which is related to the horn and the airbag mechanism, if you've been doing repairs to that, say you've replaced those pieces, and then you have an airbag light that is on, that dreaded guy next to the oil light that's just now gone off, if that light is coming on and staying on for you, recheck all of your wiring right behind the horn mechanism. It could mean that you've just got one that's pinched a little bit or kinked, because there's only a few wires behind there. I had that problem just a few minutes ago. After replacing my SAS, my airbag light was stuck on. I was like, you gotta be kidding me. So I just rechecked the wires back in here, and they were kind of kinked a little bit, you know, because they have to sort of tuck in specifically behind the horn and airbag. So just remove this guy again. You just got a screw on each side here, T30 Torx on both sides of the bottom. Pull this off and just make sure your wiring looks clean and tucked away properly. Then it, you know, should sort itself out. Otherwise, some people say you got to check your wiring under your seats. But if yours was good before you did your monkeying around with your steering mechanism and your SAS and clock spring, that means it's probably related to the wiring right under here. Anyway, I just want to throw that to you guys in case you're both struggling with the same thing I just was. That's it. Check out other videos. We've got more about this car, 2010 Toyota Matrix, and tons of other stuff. So look for the thumbnails that pop up at the end of this video. Y'all have a great day.